Welcome. This video I'm going to talk about hotspots, really cool little tips and tricks kind of thing for the ScrollMotion Smart Studio. Hotspots are a really good way to make things happen off screen outside of the typical use of the hotspot where you would have it over top of something else. So I'm going to show you guys just like if you wanted to have a splash screen or like a loading screen or something with your logo on it, and then it immediately goes to a different page. So I have a new applet set up with two pages. You have Splash and Home. In Home, I already got the logo and some buttons set up, just like if it was like a menu or home page of an app. Splash is in all pages, so Home is in the page set. So I just went over to all pages, add page, named it Splash, and then I made it as a start page. So just select set a start page. So that way when the application loads, you'll see Splash. So in my library, I've just got this background grid and then all those little icons that you saw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the logo as an image. Let's put it on the screen. You can also do that by right-clicking and create image. I'm just going to leave it there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a hotspot. Put it off screen. Shrink it a little bit. It doesn't really need to be that big. So it's off screen because we're never going to interact with it. The user will never have anything to interact with this page. It'll just be there as like a loading screen, a splash screen, just kind of really nice effect. So in the actions, I'm going to add a go to page action and put a now trigger. The reason I'm using now is because it's off the screen. You can't interact with it. You can't touch it. So if it has anything else but now, the trigger will never happen, so the action will never happen. So you need to have a now trigger. So we're going to go to the home page. We'll leave it at crossfade, but we'll put in a 1.5 second delay on this action. So this page will load, and then 1.5 seconds in, it'll crossfade into the next page. So let's check that out in preview. Page loads, 1.5 seconds, it transitions into the next page. So it's a really good way, really simple way just to have something happen automatically. You can have as many actions on this hotspot as you would like. If it's on the home screen and you want these things to fade in and fade out, you can do that with a hotspot as well. But it's a really nice little trick to make certain things happen without having to have any kind of interactions on the screen. Hope you guys enjoy.